How to fix Snapchat map location on Snapchat. Today guys, I have to show you how to fix and solve this. Just watch this video until the end. So first you will just open settings of your phone and you will go directly to apps or applications. Then you will search for Snapchat. When you found Snapchat guys, just open it like this. Then you have to go to storage, open storage and go and click on clear data, then click OK and go back and click for stop and click OK, and then you have to back to Play Store and update Snap again, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.